Hello, this is Nick. I am the developer for GoVoice, and this is a sneak preview for the upcoming the GoVoice app for Google Voice. And the first thing you'll see is the newly updated art for the lifestyle. Now it looks very similar to the native app. This is one of the top requested feature. And the next thing we did is we sped up the load time. Now we took away the connecting to Google Voice, and if you missed it, we can just go to home and go back, or just open it again. And you will see that connecting Google Voice will never appear. It launches right in, and you can do anything right after you open the Google Voice. The next thing we did is, as you can see, we have the Asian language support. Before, you would not be able to see the language. Now you can see the Asian language, and you can do one more thing, which is copy and paste. We also fixed the problem with the text box, where if you keep going enter, it will scroll out of sight. Now everything will be fine. So we can send this. The next thing I want to show is I also added the bulk edit. Now if you want to delete or archive multiple items, all you need to do is tap on this icon. Just to quickly, the icon now appears. You can just select items as you would with the native mail application. You can select like this, and once the last item is deselected, it goes back to normal. And you can do things like delete, archive, or mark as read. For this particular one, I'm just going to archive. And once you do that, this item will be archived. The next thing we did is we also added the way for it to make phone calls by asking Google to call back. I'm just going to go to the setting to show you that, but I'm just going to hide my number so you don't see my secret. So you have the phone call tab, and you click that, and you will see that I have a few ways to make a phone calls. The first call a fixed access number, which is the one as before. This way, GoVoice will call a fixed Google access number, and Google will then direct you to your destination. The other new thing is a shuttle number. Shuttle number is a unique number that is assigned to each of your contacts that you call with Google Voice. What this will do is it will allow you to make phone calls very quickly. There's no round tripping between GoVoice and Google Voice. Once you tap in the phone number, Google Voice will call the number immediately. And even if GoVoice is offline, you can do that too. The third one is Google Calls Back, which is the same as you have on the Google Voice website. I'm just going to demonstrate that. So I'm going to call a number, say alright, and then just say, well, please wait for Google to call back. And see, and then you can just now. This number is not available for call return. Goodbye. See, and then I just want to show you the final part, which is you can have a very quick shuttle number to call. See, there's no round tripping. As soon as you, just to show it again, as soon as you tap the button, this appears, again you can call immediately. It's not a valid number. Alright. Now this concludes the preview for GoVoice. And for any updates, please follow me on Twitter, either Nikolai Yu or GoVoice app. Thank you very much.